Hi there, my name is Christy Childs, and in this video I want to talk about the power of ChatGPT to create recipe cookbooks. Now, a few years ago, I actually got into cookbooks that I was uploading to Amazon KDP, and I sold about 500 copies of a Super Bowl recipe book. Since then, it's dwindled down to 0 because I didn't keep up with it. But I'm telling you, I got to see the power of uploading recipe books to Amazon. Now, Alessandro does a lot of AI launches, and so he knows what works. And what he's put together here are 360 ChatGPT prompts, meaning, and he's given us 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Create a roast beef recipe that incorporates a special marinade. The title should be appealing and the description should make us want to try this roast beef for a special occasion, including ingredients in U.S. measurements and step-by-step instructions. All ingredients should be found in the United States. Pretty cool. Very exact. Okay, and if you scroll on down, this is a sales page for his recipe prompts, and there's 360 of them. Here are 2 examples. He entered 2 of the 360 prompts, and he got this savory pesto green bean casserole. I make green bean casserole almost every holiday, and so I know this is a very popular recipe. And this is golden caramel rice pudding. And you would want to go through and make sure it makes sense. And you know, Alessandro's saying in 10 minutes you can have your content ready. And then what you would do is just, you know, pop it into a Word document or a page document, create a cover with Canva.com, a free account, and boom, upload it to Amazon KDP. And if you go on YouTube, there are loads of videos to show you how to do all that. So this is just the content right here. It just makes it super easy to create content for recipe books. And here's another example. Alessandro said, develop a recipe for an Italian-American fusion soup. The title should be catchy and the description should explain why this fusion is a must-try. Include ingredients in U.S. measurements and clear instructions. All ingredients should be available in the United States. I wouldn't have even thought of this part right here. That's pretty cool. And this is what ChatGPT gave him. Mamma Mia minestrone chowder. I love it. And Alessandro's Italian. This is super cute. Prepare your taste buds. It gives you a really catchy description too. So see, it says the title should be catchy. It is. Mamma Mia minestrone chowder. And then it gives a recipe. And it gives instructions. And so you could just copy and paste this into a document. Boom, you got your first recipe. Add a, you know, if you do in Page or Word, you can add a table of contents, add a cute cover. Boom. It says this is only one prompt. Imagine what you could do with the other 359 in the package. I mean, you literally could do a side hustle. Nobody can guarantee you any kind of success online. And I'm an affiliate of this product, meaning that if you click through the link below this video and buy this, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. But it's really good. I've seen inside, and I mean, it's a great product. So if you've been thinking about doing a recipe book, this would make it simple, easy, and he's already done the hard work for you to tell the exact words to get the kind of recipe books that you want to create. And here are some bonuses. The first version of my top-selling course is from Alessandro, giving you ideas on how to create outstanding cookbooks with step-by-step explanations, ingredient lists, and thousands of direct links, it should say, to mouth-watering recipes. So that is a really, really perfect bonus. Plus, and this is subject to change right here, you'll get my personal bonus. It's a PLR coloring book on food. And I have sold this, and you can sell it. It comes with commercial rights. You can sell it on Etsy, and you can sell it as is, meaning you have to make any changes to it. Be sure, you know, you just load it somewhere and, you know, make use of it. Don't let it just sit on your computer, but actually use this to, you can give it away. You can build a list. You can build a list, people who love recipes with this. Up to you. But these prompts are really, really cool. And this launch price, doesn't always last, so no guarantee the price won't go up, but guarantee it's a really, really quick and fun way to make recipe books that don't take you hours and hours and hours like it did me. Okay, this is Christy, and I appreciate you giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And again, this is my affiliate link, and I appreciate it if you decide to purchase this, that you go through my affiliate link. And if you have any questions at all, just email me. Excuse me, my email will be in the description below this video. Talk to you soon. Bye now.